Wit videos. Wit videos.
A room in the house where people sleep and keep their personal items is the bedroom. Simply put, bedrooms are portions of the home reserved solely for resting or sleeping, as well as additional activities like meditation or sexual activity. A bedroom is a sleeping area in a home, motel, or apartment. Typically, a bedroom has a bed, a nightstand, a dresser, and a wardrobe. The bedroom serves as many people's personal getaway from their daily lives, including their office. The furniture in a bedroom, which includes the mattress and bedside tables, is a minor but essential component. Make sure your loved ones have high-quality bedding, fitted sheets, and other forms of furniture to promote a healthy lifestyle and restful sleep. Thank you for watching Wit videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.